Welcome to the Burdick Atria 3100 ECG training session. In no time at all, you'll be able to set up your new device and start acquiring timely, accurate, and reliable ECG results. This 10-minute training session includes a general overview of the Atria 3100, information on the user settings, patient prep overview, and details on acquiring ECGs. Let's get started. First, we'll cover the basics of setting up and using the Atria 3100. To connect to a power source, insert the cable from the power brick into the back of the device near the serial number. Plug the AC power cable into the brick, then into an outlet. You should see a green light on the brick and the device. The battery will automatically charge itself. Before using the Atria 3100 for the first time, you'll need to charge the battery for 6 hours. A fully charged battery will last approximately 55 minutes of continuous printing in the manual rhythm mode. Total battery time varies based on use. To maximize battery life, keep the unit powered off when not in use. A fully drained battery will take 5 hours to recharge. To connect the patient cable, hold the cable head with the arrow facing up, apply pressure, and push the head into the lower right port. Don't pull or push on the cable itself. To load paper, locate the paper tray door on the left side of the device. Squeeze the door lever in the middle of the tray until it clicks. Pull out the door and put it in a secure location to keep it from falling. Then load a stack of paper into the compartment. The black mark on the lower left corner of the paper should be facing up. Lift the top sheet and hold the paper even, using the raised edges on the tray as a guide. Don't pull the paper. Keeping the paper door level, push it into place until it clicks. Make sure you don't insert the door at an angle. Now, we'll go over the Atria 3100's interface, which is designed to be user-friendly. The 2-line by 40 character display screen at the top of the device clearly shows the various menu options. The blue keys below the display screen let you quickly navigate through the menu. The menu keys, located below the navigation keys, let you enter new patient information, change device settings, and access the patient directory, reports, and communication modes. The keyboard features a full alphanumeric keypad and designated quick keys. Use the ECG keys at the bottom of the device to generate reports and rhythm strips. The power key turns the device off and on. On the left side of the device, you'll find a handy, quick reference guide. Communication ports are located on the back of the device. Moving from left to right are the modem port, Ethernet port, USB port, serial port, and analog output. Now it's time to cover the function keys and user settings. Press the back key to return to the previous menu or display. Press the select key to select the highlighted option in the menu. Press the previous key to scroll to the previous option or field in a list or menu. Press the next key to scroll to the following option or field in a list or menu. Press the home key to return to the main display. The menu keys allow you to enter patient information, access a directory of stored records and communication options, and configure device settings, including ECG, patient, system, and communication settings, as well as basic input functions. The Atria 3100 is shipped with default user settings, which can be used to immediately acquire an ECG. To change these settings, use the Settings menu. Let's go through a settings example. How to change the number of copies the device prints. Press Setup. Press Next and scroll until you see Setup ECG. Press Select. When you see Report Format, press Select. Use the Next key and scroll to Number of Copies. Press Select. Press Delete. Enter the number of copies you want, and press Select. Press Home to return to the main display. For more options, see your Atria 3100 manual. Remember, the Help menu is a great resource. Simply press the Alt and the H keys. Then scroll down to the desired topic. Press Select, and the device will print out step-by-step instructions. Let's move on to patient prep, which is the key to an accurate ECG reading. The first step is to prepare the patient's skin. You may need to shave the electrode site before cleaning if excessive hair is present. Apply the electrodes and connect the lead wires before entering the patient's information. This allows time for the electrodes to adhere and improves conductivity. To minimize muscle artifact, make sure the patient is warm, comfortable, and relaxed. Be sure the patient is on a surface appropriate for his or her size, and there's no stress on the arms or legs. If the leads aren't connected properly, an error message will say Fail and identify which lead failed. Now it's time to acquire the ECG. After the patient is prepped, turn on the Atria 3100. To enter demographic information for a new patient, press the Patient key. Enter New Patient will appear. Press the Select key. Now you can fill in the default demographics. When a field offers multiple choices, such as gender, use the Next key to choose male or female. For race, use the Next key to scroll down to the appropriate selection. After each entry, press Select. Once you've entered all of the demographic information, press Home. Press ECG. Then press Select and choose ECG on existing patient. Your ECG report will then print. To access demographic information on an existing patient, press the Directory key. View Entire Patient Directory will appear on the screen. Press Select. Select Saved Record will appear on the screen. Scroll to locate patient. Press Select. Acquire New ECG on Same Patient will appear on the screen. Press Select. Your ECG report will then print. To generate a stat ECG report, press the blue ECG button twice. Press Stop to cancel at any time. To follow up on the report, locate the stat ECG in the directory and enter the patient's data. The Atria 3100 will reanalyze the data using the updated demographics, then generate a new ECG, which may provide a different interpretation. When you see Accept Changes and Reanalyze on the screen, press Select. To generate an automatic rhythm report, press the Auto Rhythm key. To change the number of pages the report prints, see the User Settings section of the manual. Or for a manual ECG, press the Manual Rhythm key. Press Stop to end the printout. Thank you for taking the time to review this Burdick Atria 3100 training session. For further information, refer to the Quick Prep Guide or your Atria 3100 manual. To get a printout of all accessories available for reorder, press the Alt and the H keys, then the Enter key. And don't forget to mail in your warranty card to ensure you receive all the benefits included in your warranty. Now that you're better acquainted with your new device, we hope you'll continue to explore all that it has to offer.